Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Mathematics. Really interesting question today. As you can see, we have 70 plus 100 divided by 2. On the first side, this is like the easiest question you've ever seen, and it looks like that. We know about addition, we know about division from the 3rd grade, so everyone learned this stuff, everyone know about this 70, about 100. So on the first side, you can easily solve this question, and I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Write your thought in the comment section. Right here we have 3 options, A, B and C, so it's really great to check our answers in the end of the video. It will be really great for us. Okay, first of all, I wanted to rewrite this question. So we have 70 plus 100 and divided by 2. So one part of students solve it like that. They say, okay, 70 plus 100, let's start from this one. So we have 70 plus 100, we have 170 obviously, yeah? And we still have this division, so divided by 2 equal to 85, yeah, equal to 85. Okay, we have 85. This looks like option A is a correct answer to this question. And this is the first type of solution. One part of students solve it like that. And I don't want to say that this is correct or incorrect. This is the first type of solution. And right now you need to understand that in math you need to know what is the correct order of operation, because right here we solve it from left to right. We solve this problem as I type it in from left to right, and we don't care about a math operation. But in math, it's really interesting and really important to know about correct order of operation, because we need to know how can we solve it correctly. And it's not like we cannot solve it like chaotic from left to right, from middle. We cannot jump. We need to know what is the correct one and a correct order of operation. And let's look at this PMDMC. Doesn't matter PMDMC, board math. Let's look, for example, at this PMDMC order of operation. So we have 70, we have plus 100 and divided by 2. Okay, here's our question. And let's solve this question according to PMDMC. This PMDMC works from the top to the bottom, and let's go through the steps real quick and let's check. Maybe 85 is a correct answer. I don't want to tell this, but maybe we check with this 85. Okay, 70 plus 100 divided by 2. First step is parentheses. Maybe we'll have parentheses. Let's look at it. Let's scan right here. No, I don't see any parentheses, so we just skip this part. Yeah, it's really great because with parentheses this question will be like more complicated for us, so we just skip this part. What about the next step? Exponents. As I told before, we don't have any squares, cubes, so we just skip this part, okay? We just skip this part. What about the next step? The next step, multiplication, and a lot of students do this common mistake. They say, okay, multiplication, then we need to multiply it first. But we need to look at it in a perspective of a group. So multiplication and division, this is one common group, and we need to find where do we have multiplication and division signs. Obviously, we don't have multiplication sign, and as you can see, we have this division sign. So it's really important moment, because the first step is to divide. Saying in other words, if you look at this PMDMC, addition and subtraction group is last group for us. We don't have subtraction, but we have addition. So saying in other words, we need to divide at first, then we need to add. This is maybe the key moment right here. So you cannot jump, as I told before, we cannot jump from addition to division. We cannot jump right chaotically. We need to know what is the correct order of operation. And the first step is division. So let's divide. We have 70 plus 100 divided by 2. This is 50. So we complete this division part, and then the last step is addition part. 70 plus 50 equal to 120. And one really important moment, because 120 we don't see this option right here, and then one part of students goes back to this answer, which is 85, which is option A. And right now I'm going to tell you that 85 is absolutely wrong solution, because as I told before, we cannot add and then divide. This is wrong math operation. We need to divide it first, then we need to add the numbers. Yeah, right here we add at first, so this is absolutely wrong solution. And if you imagine that you have parentheses, then this is a correct solution. Yeah, of course, we need to start from these parentheses. 70 plus 100 equal to 170. So with parentheses, this is a correct answer. But in our case, we don't have any parentheses, so we just need to forget about this solution. This is a very bad solution, to add at first, then divide. But what is the correct answer for us? As I told before, 85, we reject this answer. 75, this is obviously not the same as 120. But this 5 factorial, let's look at it. 5 factorial, let's look at it. What about this 5 factorial? This is a product from 1 to 5, yeah? So we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 and times 5, yeah? So we have 1 times 2, 2, we have 6, we have 24, yeah, we have 120. So this 5 factorial, this is the same as 120. So if you're talking about a correct answer to this question, this is 120. But if you're talking about a correct answer to this test, this is option C is a correct answer. So I write our answer. So we hope you understand my explanation. I wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.